YouTube, another video, Honda GCV160. I am going to drain the gas out of this. And to start with, I shut the fuel off there, and I'm going to come back here and take that clip off, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, I'm going to take that compression clip off and pull this hose out. I got something to catch my gas in. And hopefully you got a big enough container to get all the gas. There was quite a bit in there. Let's have an extra cup ready. Okay. So this is the fuel filter here. You can pop that out. And that's the fuel filter. Gonna leave it in, but you can take it out. There's a little ring in there. But yeah, if you're having trouble with gas flow, there's a filter in there. Just a quick look at the fuel filter here. And that's up in there. Hey, thanks for watching my videos, guys. I'd love it if you guys subscribed and liked, comment, say whatever. Love to hear from you.